Well, good morning, Legacy Wealth Society market makers. Good morning, YouTube. We're back once again. We're going to do what we do, and that's print some monies. Good morning, folks. Hopefully, you guys had a solid Thursday night. It's Friday. Full Port Fridays. That's what I call these Fridays. I call them Full Port Fridays. That does not mean to full port. That's just what I'm naming Fridays moving forward. Good morning. Good evening, good afternoon to everyone tuning in around the world.
Good morning, good morning.
Hey, what's up,
VWAP.
Carmona? How you feeling today, brother?
I'm good. I'm ready to get on the road, head back to Florida. Yeah, I'm ready to hit the road for about a good 12 hours.
Woo. More power to you. More power to you.
Yeah, pulled over just so I can get the trade on.
Hey, let's go.
Can't miss the opening.
Listen, you can trade from anywhere, even on the road. Check that out. No, Smooth, I did not say full port today. I said it's a full port Friday. That's why I've titled these Fridays Full Port Fridays. That does not mean to full port. That's just what I'm naming them. What's up, Rob? Good morning. Ready to do some simple base hits today. That's all we're trying to do. Hopefully we get some good little movement today. No choppy chops. So we can get this.
Look, I'm looking at this. If I see I'm not gonna jump right in though. But if the price goes below the 300 level, it's going down. I'm going for a short. I feel like it's going down.
Okay. We got that VWAP down there as well. I'm going to give everyone the stats here in a couple more minutes. Let some more folks jump on in here so I don't have to repeat myself. I'm a parent. We hate repeating ourselves. So I'm going to wait until about 9:25. Then I'm going to give you all the stats for the VWAP 21 EMA. The close from yesterday. The pivot point. I'm going to give you all of it so you can mark it on your charts so you can get prepared. Because I feel like today's going to be a smoney day.
Money.
And I'm saying that because G got a payout. One of my market makers got his first payout, $1,500. So now I know today's going to be a money day because he made his money.
They already approved it and everything.
Hey, let's go.
It's already approved. So I gotta wait like what, 3-4 business days?
With them it'll vary, but most likely like 3 or 4 days. But they sent you the payment. They sent you the certificate. So that means you're getting it. You know what I'm saying? That's the cool part.
So look, if it goes above the 300 level, buy. Below, sell.
This is not financial advice, folks, for everyone on YouTube. This is for entertainment purposes only. That's one of my market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. Be careful. Full Port Fridays. What's up, BP? I full ported CPI. How did that go for you, sir? I said full port Fridays. He already did it. He had better luck to say, hey, let's go. I'm assuming those were evals. I'm assuming, BP, those were evals you full ported for the CPI this morning. Yeah. I know you ain't doing no fundeds doing that.
Ooh, it shot up this morning.
Yep, that's that news at 8:30 a day. We got 8:30 news. We got 10 o'clock news today as well. We got 10 o'clock news.
That's what that was. Because I was looking, I'm like, what is going on?
What is going on?
Yep.
Oh, man, I'm just ready for freaking base hits. Because I was calling some plays out last night on the stream, and now I'm just like, I'm ready to get some base hits today. Going to the weekend. I got to see what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do something this weekend, boys. I don't know if I'm going to Puerto Rico. I don't know where I'm going. I'm going somewhere. Your boy's trying to go somewhere this weekend. And we're going to have to see what we get today. Because depending on how much money we make will determine where I'm going. Hey, bud. No, you're not back from school. You're back from dropping Tristan off at school. Hey, 850's 850, brother. Bitcoin's pumping. Okay. What's up, Steven? Good morning. Oh, 100% BP. Green is green, like I always like to say. And the fact that you were green, that's all that matters. All right, it's officially 9:25. Well, it's been 9:25 for the past like 30 seconds. So, the close from yesterday. 25,244. Well, 244.75. 25,244.75. It's the close from yesterday. Then we got the VWAP. That pesky VWAP sitting there at 25,262.50. 262.50 is that VWAP. Then that 21 EMA sitting right at 307.75. 307.75 for that 21 EMA. We do have a pivot point above us here. That pivot above us is sitting up at 358.75. 358.75. Good morning, Rhonda. Good morning, DJ. Honestly, no thoughts on market open. I never have thoughts on market open. I wait the first 15 minutes. 155.75 is the pivot point below us here. And that's below the overnight low as well. So with that being said, we're going to be patient. We're going to wait for our moves and execute. That's all we're doing here. We're not trying to recreate the wheel. We are not trying to FOMO. We're not going to be greedy. It's the Friday. Let's base hits, go into the weekend green, and keep the party going. What's up, Cam? We got that VWAP below us. That may look for some attention from the market price. So I'm expecting nothing but prepared for anything. That's the best way to trade. Expect nothing but prepare for anything. I like that. Man, Duane, that's a good one. That's a nice little zinger. Yeah, I'm talking to myself right now. What can I say? I'm mentally getting dialed in for this session. Because I'm just looking for bull flags, bear flags with momentum. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. I'm ready for my workout today. Yesterday, my trainer, he was trying to whoop me. He was trying to whoop me yesterday, but I didn't let him. I said, not today. Beasted yesterday in the gym. His workout was crazy, but I got through it. I refuse to let him beat me. Is that bad? Like, I refuse to let people beat me. So he's, oh, we're doing this, and all right, let's run it. All right, let's do this. Let's keep the party going. I can't breathe, but we're going to get it done. Another big congratulations to one of my market makers, G. He just got his first payout from Apex, and I'm super proud of him. He stayed disciplined, he base hit, and he got the payout. Guys, keep it simple so you can get the results you truly want. Let's not overcomplicate this. What's up, Steve? Good morning, sir. Steve in the house. All right, brother. See you on Monday, man. Enjoy your weekend, fam. Epcot, awesome. Have fun, bro. Enjoy all that walking. Come on, Bessie. Let's not let that happen. I need today to be a really clean day. I just want simple moves with the price where we can get in, get out. Market's getting ready to open 3 seconds, 3 seconds. There's market. Woo! Dang! Look at that market open pop. Let's go. Alrighty. Well, tell your youngest daughter happy birthday. Market is officially open. I'm looking, I'm watching. I'm waiting until 9:45 to execute my first trades here. We do have 10 o'clock news today. We do have a lot of 10 o'clock news today. So I'm trying to get in between 9:45 and 9:55 on my first trade today. Walk to the back room so no click. Nope, I ain't clicking, Steve. I ain't clicking yet. I'm not even tempted to click. I'm gonna do a base sale on one of my accounts. I just gotta make $150 on it for just the trading day, and then the other ones I'm gonna fill them up today to the brim with profits. Market's pushing. Okay. Going up to that pivot point. That news this morning did take us above that pivot earlier this morning at 8:30. But there's a lot of selling pressure. We did not tap it. We were about to tick off from tapping that pivot point. Let's see what we get here. For everyone on YouTube, good morning. Hopefully you're staying safe in the market since it just opened. Smooth. Honestly, bro, just look at base hitting. Don't even try recovering what you lost yesterday. Just look for a simple base hit today. If that helps you recover, awesome. If not, that's okay. You put more money back in. Keep it simple, folks. Keep it simple. So we tapped that pivot point. Okay, good to see. Good to see. Today is a weird day. NQ, ES pumping, YM is dumping. They can't all pump all the time, BP. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes one wants to be a problem child. Thank God it's not NQ today. What's up, Brad? Good morning, sir. All right, pivot point's going to get tapped again. There we go, tapping that pivot once again. Ooh, Nellies. Man, I need 9:45 a hit, boys. Your boy is ready to execute today like a trained assassin. Let's see. Maybe we're possibly going to get us a little bull flag on this 2 minute here. Let me get my doodles going so I don't FOMO into a trade or anything. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all don't FOMO sometimes, but it's hard sometimes not FOMO. But what helps me is I put lines on the chart. And I'm like, okay, yep, that's my line in the sand. There it goes. Alrighty. Like I said, we do have selling pressure up in this area. We do have selling pressure up above that pivot point from earlier. So I'd be paying a lot of attention to it, because at the end of the day, you do not want to get caught up in selling pressure when you're trying to go long. Let's see if we build some structure here. All right, I got pretty much 10 more minutes. 10 more freaking minutes so I can trade here. Patiently wait. I'm ready. I'm ready to get in, boys. I'm ready to get in, get out, and on with the day. So that current candle on that 2 minutes coming down close to that 50% area. So I'll be a little bit more hesitant to take a long, personally. Where we would need to clear out some of those previous candle wicks that popped us above the pivot in order for me to want to take a long. What's up, Woody? What's up, bro? Good morning. Yep. Got into that selling pressure and we selling back on down. Oh, Nellies. Oh, Nellies, folks. Woo. What we gonna get? What we gonna get? Back for more today? Oh, you must be talking to Woody. Man. All right. Let me get me another line here on the chart because I'm trying to just keep myself dialed right now. Because once 945 hits, first trade I see that's clean with momentum, I'm taking it, boys. That 5 minute has some buying pressure on that candle, but that 2 minute showing me we're right here at this 21 EMA. We may, let's see if we get structure for a little bear flag. That's always a possibility here. We get structure for a bear flag, let it take 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes for me to be able to jump in on it. And we'll take that. Come on, Betsy. Is anyone doing anything fun this weekend? Is anyone doing anything fun this weekend? Because I low-key, I got the itch to I haven't traveled anywhere this month yet. And I need to go somewhere. I need to go somewhere. BP, you're such a good boyfriend, bro. Go and help my girlfriend make some cheesecakes. You're such a good boyfriend, fam. Proud of you, sir. All right, we're going trying to go back up to that pivot point. Yeah, right now is a no-go for me. 9:45, let's go. What's up, bro? Good morning, sir. We need some flags with momentum so we can all make some monies. The ones that trade the way I trade, you know what I'm saying? But stay safe in the markets. It's Friday. Don't full port anything, even though we do say full port Fridays. But don't go full port. Take your time. Drop your size down if you've had a really good week. Play it safe today. Play it safe today. BP, I bet you're the best at grabbing stuff from the fridge and giving it to her. Like the butter, all that stuff. I'm sure you're like, babe, I got you. While she's just stirring everything up. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. Yes and no. They do have some rules, Woody, but you would never really experience them. Oh, that's awesome, Steven. Well, enjoy that water for us, bro. All right. We're sorry we pushed through my bottom yellow line there. What's up, Focus? Good morning. Push through my yellow line there with a little bit of follow through. I just need to get 945. That's it. I'm itching right now, boys. Let me move my mouse over here and just click. That's such a release right there. Just hearing that sound just does something to me. Honestly, folks, I honestly don't care. If it goes to the moon, great. If it goes down, it happens. Oh, yeah, BP, you gotta put that muscle into it, bro. You gotta put that muscle into it. You gotta flex on it. You're like, yeah, babe, I got you. Oh, yeah, you like me doing that, huh, babe? You know what I'm saying? I know what you be doing, BP. I know your little game, bro. All right, we got that VWAP that's slightly creeping up. 279 for that VWAP currently. Maybe we build a flag. I need a flag. I want an A++ setup for my first trade. Simple base hit, but I want to be an A++ setup. That's like when Brenda tells, oh, babe, can you open this one? Of course, baby. Yeah, I got to throw the arms out, grab it. You know, I got to position the arm just right to open it for you. You know what I'm saying? Every guy does it. It's okay. All right, I got less than 5 minutes now to be cleared to trade. Hopefully everyone that's taken trades so far has made some money already. If you haven't, you got plenty of time. The market's only been open for 11 minutes. There's no rush to this game. Right now, I feel like we're kind of chopping here. I need a clean setup, clean setup. Oh, Nellies. Oh, Nellies. Oh, 100% BP. You gotta let them know what time it is. Come on, Betsy. I'm staying further back today because I don't want to accidentally click a button. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not trying to do that today. I am not trying to do that. So whenever I lean back, that's me just like telling myself it's not my time yet. It ain't 9:45 yet. All right. I got 3 minutes here for this 15-minute range to be fully completed. The countdown has begun. What's up, Travis? Good morning. Oh, Nellies. Give us something good, market. Dad, trying to make some money a day. Yeah, right now we're like real tight right now. Good morning, Lucas. Definitely want to see us start going up or down. I don't care what direction. We do have that VWAP below us currently, so that may try acting as a magnet to pull this price down just slightly. Go down, tap it, test it, see if we use it to bounce or go lower. But right now I need a flag because we're going sideways right now on this 21 EMA. We have news at 10 o'clock today. 10 o'clock news today. Let's keep that in mind as well. All right. I got 40 seconds left till I'm fully clear to trade here. 40 seconds left. Are we getting ready to go try testing that pivot point once again? But I'm not clear to trade yet. I would love to see a flag right now, though. All right, the range is fully completed. The range is fully completed. Completed that first 15-minute range. The low of the range, the low of that first 15-minute range is 25,290.50. That's the low. The high is up there at 369.25. 369.25 for the high. And now we just anticipate and wait for the move here. We have no flags right now, folks. We have no flags right now. So this is when we start twiddling our thumbs. We would love to see a flag. But we got to get away from this 21 EMA. Right now, we're just holding pretty close to this 21 EMA. Want to see us get away from it. Either above it or below it. One of the two. We do have news at 10. We do have news at 10 o'clock today. All right, so we clear that previous candle wick there. Instant bear trying to step in slightly. We need to see some momentum. Need momentum right now. I may target this pivot point, but I don't like that current 2-minute candle. Okay, seeing that now. The middle of today's range, is 330. 330 is the middle of that 15-minute range today. Somewhere where we don't diddle in the middle. So we're way too close to that middle of the 15-minute range. So right now it's a hands off for me, sadly. Do not trade the middle of the 15-minute range, folks. If we're going sideways in the middle, that's a bad sign. And that's a no trade type day. We only go ups and downs for trades. We don't go sideways. Showing some selling pressure on that 5-minute candle. But right now, since we're just honestly tight, close to this middle of the 15-minute range, going sideways, I would just hold, folks. I would hold. Don't even take a trade yet. We tapped that 21 EMA. Okay. We just, ooh, the bears just flipped that. I like that. Come on, give it to me. We're above that middle, that 15-minute range now as well. I may get ready to close this one here. You're not liking this price action right here. Yeah, I killed that. I killed that trade. Ah, I'm so fucking stupid. I'm annoyed with that one. Disappointed with myself. Disappointed. Let's rotate to the next one. And honestly, I'm a hold. I'm a hold because we're right here close to this middle of this 15-minute range. I could have closed green. I wanted a little bit more. Didn't get it. We're literally right. We literally just tapped the middle of the 15-minute range once again. We got news in 6 minutes. So I'll probably wait till after 10 here for the next trade, only because this thing's going sideways right now. I feel you, Steven. I feel you. That's why I kill that trade. I'm waiting, bro. Yeah, I just want to get away from this middle of this 15-minute range and this 21 EMA. Because right now, we're just sitting here. Come on, Betsy. Show us what you're trying to do. Show us what you're trying to do. We're just consolidating right now. And we can't trade consolidation. Well, you can. It's just not very profitable. If we get below that 21 EMA, maybe I take a short. But we got to get some momentum here. Come on, Betsy. Here comes the this thing is right in the middle. No. Let me get my hand off the mouse. There's the 21 EMA tap. And we got 3 minutes left till news. My hands are up. I ain't touching it. I have a feeling it's going to be like this. And then when we get off the stream today, it's going to pop. That's normally what tends to happen, folks. If we're chopping like this, we're consolidating right now. You can't trade consolidation. Right in the middle of this 15-minute range, too. There's a 21 EMA tap once again. It needs to figure out what it wants to do. I'm not trusting these slight drops below this 21 EMA here. Brent, no. I would keep it the same, bro. I would keep everything the same. There's no reason to trade longer than that. Because if you can't make your money in that amount of time, you may want to refine the strategy. Good morning, sir. Yeah, I just did the stupid. I wasn't watching the time. I took a trade right before 10 there. Definitely. What in the world, Dwayne? What in the world? I did not realize the time. Yeah, no. No, 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 no. I agree with BP. It's all about being able to do it for a short amount of time, make good money, and live the rest of your day, for the rest of your day without having to worry about money. All right, so we just broke out of the 15-minute range there, pulled right back in. What's up, Israel? Getting ready to tap that VWAP. Tap that VWAP sitting there at 87. 87 for the VWAP. Want to see how the market reacts once we tap that thing. Let's go, BP. Come talk to your boy. You know what I'm saying? Come talk to your boy. All right, there's the VWAP. Just tap that. Let's see how we react here. I got a target down there at 251. 251. We got the close from yesterday as well, 244.75 as well. So let's see if we could possibly get us a little bear flag. I would love to see a flag at this point. Today's been a flagless day so far. Hey, what's up, BP?
What's going on, man?
Another day in paradise, bro. Just waiting for some simple base hits here. Simple base hits.
The whole range that we're inside of right now is still just inside of the CPI candle. Because if you mark out 825, like the high and low of it, we're just still inside.
Yeah. Yeah, looking at that now, I see that. I just want to make some money, BP. That's all. I'm trying to pay my bills. I'm trying to pay my light bills. No, I'm annoyed with my first trade. I could have closed. I should have closed. But I was trying to get extra like $10 so I could cover the fee. And I ended up losing $600. So straight Aggie. Straight Aggie. I was in the green 150. I needed $10 more to cover the fee for me for it count as a trading day. So I waited. Yeah, no. Lost $600.
I believe in you, Duane. You'll base hit that right back.
Oh, I know, but now I had to ask myself, do I even want to touch that account again today because of that little hiccup? That's the $1 million question.
Two possibilities. You either turn it back to green or it turns into a 4-digit red day.
And we ain't trying to do that. We ain't trying to do that. I may actually just hold off on trading that account again today because it's like prime for a payout. You know what I'm saying? Like it's
definitely don't risk it.
That's why I was just trying to get that extra $10. It's always that little $10 always F's you. Just waiting to see if we get a flag something because this is wildness right now.
I finally figured out why the YM dumped.
Okay. Why did it dump?
So whenever CPI happened, we ran all of the highs to the left, and then essentially whenever YM experienced CPI, it failed to run those same highs. So we had like that larger bearish S&P. So bearish strength was just overall much stronger on the YM today.
Okay. Hey, we'll take that. Playing with this VWAP right now. Playing with this VWAP. I want to see us break this VWAP with momentum so I can take it short to the first target down there. Thank you, Gus. I appreciate you, bro. Big Black, I do not. So I trade my funded accounts first, and then I'll trade an eval after. I never do the reverse. I never trade a practice or eval account and then trade funded. It messes with my psychology.
I agree with that.
Because most of us are a little bit more willing to risk the eval than a funded. So if you risk a little bit more on that eval before trading and funded, you'll risk a little bit more on the funded. Or say you take a loss in your eval, then it'll have you second guessing your trades in your funded. Looking like a bear flag here. Let's go through that yellow line. I want to get through that VWAP though. I want to get through that VWAP. Get through that VWAP for a nice little short. But we need some momentum. This thing's just slow. Travis, crazy, bro. Crazy. And what's annoying is I was trying to take a payout on that account that I just lost the $600 on. I literally needed $150 just to count the day. That's why I was like, Aggie. You know what I'm saying? Like, man. But we'll see. If the market moves a little bit better, maybe I'll fix it. If not, I'll get it on Monday and take the payout on Monday. You know what I'm saying? Like, alrighty. Oh, all right. Through that VWAP.
Finally interacting with CPI low.
Right to that VWAP. Come on, Betsy. I may kill this one too. I'm very risk off today. Where it's either we flush it or I'm closing. I do not like that price action right there. Give me the full flush. Come on, Betsy.
What do you think so far, Dwayne?
I'm not feeling the market today, bro.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you too. Like, I want to take a short, but at the same time, I feel like we might end up doing a data play day where it like might want to take out the data low and then slowly start creeping back up to the data high.
We didn't get the flush I wanted there. Or I may just kill this one. Keeping my losses short today. Decisions. Let's see if we get the drop right here. Nah, I'm gonna close this.
Oh my goodness.
That's crazy. Whoa, what did I do? Oh God, am I still in that trade? Jesus, I think I'm done trading today. I think I'm done, boys. I'm getting cooked today. I'm getting cooked.
I just didn't want this to happen, to be honest. I was like hoping that it was just gonna drop.
Yeah, this market, I'm not liking the movement today. I've already lost today like $2,000 a day. I don't like that. I don't like that whatsoever. Let's see if we could get some type of flag. Maybe I'll take another one, but I may not take. 3 strikes, you're out. Well, it's only been 2 strikes so far.
I feel like maybe I'd be willing to trade after the data play happens because I want to utilize it, but at the same time, like, it's all about statistics, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna wait to see. Okay, there's the middle of the 15-minute range. Let's see if we get above that range. Let's see if we get above that range. Not range, above that 15-minute range, right? Middle of the 15-minute range. I can't even talk right now. I'm just annoyed with my performance so far today. Uh, possibly if we get.
Today's a pretty choppy day.
No, it's not me being hard. I'm just annoyed with myself. You know what I'm saying? That's all.
Yeah.
Because I already know when I get off at 11, the market's going to move like super nice for everybody. I'm going to be annoyed.
It's just our luck. Market makers, they know everyone's sitting right there from open to about that 11 time. They got to move.
Yep. All right, let's see if we possibly build a bull flag. Let's see if we get this bull flag here with momentum. Only way I take it, it has to have momentum. No momentum, no freaking trade.
If we're gonna do the full data candle play, price should go sweep out like 25,000, like 386.
Yeah. Yeah, that was the high of that candle.
Mm-hmm.
But we just gotta see some effort from the markets right now. You know what I'm saying? There's zero effort right now from these markets.
Yeah, it's all just sitting inside the same range.
Patience, Obi-Wan. Well, I'm waiting. We're gonna see what we can get here. If we can get it, we're gonna get it. If not, we come back on Monday. That's it. But we're sitting dead center pretty much in the middle of this 15-minute range right now.
All these 15-minute candles too, they're all just like really small with huge wicks. It's like trying to price is very stagnant today. Like it's staying really relatively close.
Yeah. Yeah, just wait for the momentum. If it wants to show up today, we're going to see. Looking like a potential. No, never mind. Stand corrected. I didn't even say it though. Let's see if we add some structure here for a potential bull flag. Come on, get me above that middle of the 15-minute range. That's what I'm waiting for. That's what I'm looking for here. Yep, we're literally just playing with this middle of this range right now. It's gonna fall. From your lips to God's ears, bro. We got no momentum for me want to go long right now, and no momentum to go short either. So we're just waiting. I need to see some momentum here. I want a flag with momentum. We're getting the flag on the 2-minute chart, but we don't really have momentum. All right, through the middle of the 15-minute range right there. Let's clear that previous candle wick. All right, just cleared that. Come on, rip it. And my music ended too. This is crazy. Hate trading with no music. I'm just sitting here waiting. Let's see if we get. If not, I'm just gonna close this. Like, I want to put music on, but I don't want to take my eyes off this. Let's see if I could do the quick little glances here. There we go. I click the close button. I'm holding it.
No,
I'm literally holding it so I could, as soon as I let go, I'm out.
Oh, let's get one big push. Just one big push for Duane. I mean, it's a higher low, so hopefully it goes and makes a higher high.
Come on, Betsy.
Let's clear these wicks.
That's what I'm waiting for.
Oh, we're so close.
Having issues right there. Clear those wicks.
I feel like we could get at least 10 points. Because we have some liquidity that's resting at 346.
I'm looking for that pivot, bro.
Really? I can't. Oh.
Yeah, I want the pivot.
58. Yeah, we have more liquidity up there. I can see that happening. You definitely want to see at least 46 get tagged. Because there's liquidity and then a possible order block.
This is painful. My hand can't hold him much longer. I already clicked the button. Oh, no. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. Oh, Nelly. I clicked the wrong button. Okay, I'm still in. Yeah, at least I know how I could, if I click the button, if I click the side button, that'll keep me in.
There we go. We cleared it. Hopefully we can go keep pushing to the next one.
Come on, Betsy, give it to me. It wants to, too. I closed that. I just closed it just to lock in profit there, because it looks like we're going to build another flag possibly right here. Let's see if we get this flag play here. We have such low volume today. Such low volume. S-Dub, on mine, it doesn't work that way. So if I click the button, even if I slide it away, it'll still put me in, like, take me out. But if I do the side button now, it, like, negates the whole click. So we'll be good. Learn something new a day. Learn something new a day. We got that selling wick on that 5-minute candle there. Did he break even for the day? Brent, no, not yet, bro. Yeah, honestly, I'm not trying to break even today. Like, I'm trying to clean this account up. If I could put in this account like $600 right now, like flip this candle green, $600. So I'll be in the green $300 on this account. Then I'll take a 2K payout. If I don't, I'll do it on Monday. It's all about living to fight another day. S-Dub, I'm not going long right here, fam. I hear you. I hear you, bro. But I want to get up to my yellow line with follow through for me to take a long. I'm going to stick to what I know works for myself. You know what I'm saying? What works for you works for you. For me, it may not work the same way as it works for you. This is about a squeeze. Hey, from your lips to God's ears. If it goes to my yellow line, I'll take it with follow, as long as there's that follow through. But right now, the market's crazy slow. We got 1030 getting ready to hit as well. There's 1030.
Do we have news at 10:30?
No news today at 10:30. But I still pay attention to it now because we have been having a lot of news come out at 10:30.
We have some yellow folder at 2, but we're gonna be gone. So.
Come on, go to my yellow line with follow through. I'll be targeting that pivot still. Give me my pivot. All right, closed out right there on that pivot. Closed out right there on that pivot. Did not want to tap and reject. So I closed out, only down 75 bucks in this account now. We got the high of this 15-minute range sitting there at 369, which we have not tested. So we get above that pivot. If we get above that pivot, I may take another long here, but we got to get that follow through and push right past that pivot. And there it goes without me. Missed that one. Straight agginess. All right, we popped out of the 15-minute range. We're back into the high of it now. So let's see. Since we popped down, came right back in, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. That overnight high, that 386 level, and that's also the high of that candle from 8:30 this morning as well. Let's see what we get. We're right here at this pivot point, so that's why I'm like, we got a way to get away from this pivot. We got that selling wick. We got a lot of selling pressure up here. From those earlier morning candles, we got some selling pressure up here.
Yeah. We stopped like 12 and a half points shy of the data high. So we probably can push to another 12 points.
Come on. Come on, girl. Let's see if this is going to be our flag right here. Nope. We gotta get through this pivot here. I'm done trading. I'm done, bro. I give up today. Market doesn't like me today. That's crazy. That is freaking crazy. Let me rotate to some of my PA accounts. I'm not touching my Lucid Tradeifys. No, thank you. This market's just chopping. Yeah, I'm getting chopped. And watch this be the pump. We would have to get above that pivot. Yeah, chopped cheese, bro. We just don't really have momentum today, and that's the issue. I killed it. I'm done. Boys, I'm freaking done today. I'm done trading. Complete red day for me today. Complete red day.
Bro, I just realized I was muted. Oh, my bad. I was coughing earlier, so I muted myself, and I completely forgot.
No, you're good, bro. This is just agginess. I completely agree with the emotion. The NQ is trash today. I'm not looking for anything right now. There's no momentum. Oh, I'm dark. My bad. My bad. There is zero momentum. There's zero momentum right now. So, no trade. This thing's just chopping. Nothing. Had you held that long? I don't hold trades long, bro. There's always a coulda, woulda, shoulda. This is looking like a bear flag. And then we end up getting that buying pressure. So freaking dirty.
That was disgusting.
Yep. That's what I saw that. I'm like, that buying would made me hesitate. But that's crazy. That shows how the market's moving today. Just stupid. I wasn't even in that for a trade. Just stupid. Yeah, today we're just sitting in this 15-minute range. We're above the middle of this 15-minute range for a minute, but we most likely going to drop below it. Yeah, I'm freaking done trading today, boys. I'm done. I'm not touching it. I'm honestly probably going to end the stream in like 2 minutes because your boy has had a massive red day today. I mean massive. You're like, oh, Duane, what's massive? Guess how red I am today in the chat, and I'll show y'all how red I am today in the chat. That's why I'm aggravated right now. So freaking aggravated. Put your guesses in the chat. Put your guesses in the chat. I'm green one account, red everything else. All right, minus 2.3K. That sounds cute, BP. Who else? Minus 1,700. Okay. Couple more guesses, and I'm going to show y'all. Alrighty. Let me prepare this so I can show y'all. I wish it was only 4K. On the horizontal, you can see it there. There you go. Like 8 grand, something like that. 8 grand on funded accounts today. So annoyed as F today. Annoyed as F. Oh, 100%. The bounce back, that Monday we come back to base hits. But I hate going to the weekend red. So yes, I had bad trading days just like y'all. But I'm transparent with mine. I suck at trading chop. I think that's always been my disclaimer. S-Dub, definitely not, bro. I don't reduce my size. I did not lose today because of my size, sir. I lost today because I tried trading the chop. It's not because I over traded. It's not because I was FOMO. No. The reason why I lost was I tried trading the chop, which I preach don't trade the chop because I suck at trading chop. So that's all that is. Yep, chop get us chop. And your boy got chopped today. Did I blow any accounts? Absolutely not. But it's still aggravating. Like one of the accounts that I lost $1,000 on, I need $150 for a payout. And I lost a G. Granted, I'll be able to put that back if the markets are moving well on Monday. I'll put it back on Monday, between Monday and Tuesday, and do the pay on Tuesday. But it's annoying. There's a little bear flag right there. Do I trust it? No. We're in the middle of 15-minute range. Is there momentum? No. It's trying to show a bear flag, but we got that buying pressure. I'm not trusting this market today because I already got chopped enough. Yeah, bud. Huh? Okay, I'll take a look at it when I get off, bud. Huh? I can't hear you. I will come downstairs in a couple minutes, bud. Lost. I wish I was down 600, fam. I'm down like $8,000 right now. But it's crazy to say, even though I'm down $8,000 today, I'm green for the week. That's the Aggie part. I'm still green for the freaking week. And that green doesn't feel green to me. No, 100% lost, but still. We like our change in our pocket. Come on now. Tapping that middle of that 15-minute range once again. Once again. Yeah. I'm not trusting this market whatsoever. All right, folks, I'm going to be jumping off here. We'll be back tonight for the Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. It's not raining today, so we should be back outside today. Hopefully you guys are staying safe in these freaking markets today. Your boy got chopped up today. Not happy with myself, but we live to fight another day. Monday, it's a clean slate, fresh week, fresh day, and we'll be able to make more money then. So stay safe in the markets if you're going to continue trading this, and I will see you guys tonight for the Traders Hangout. Be blessed, everyone. Legacy market makers, love you boys. Have a great rest of your day, and I will chat with y'all later. Be blessed, everyone.
Take care.
All right, BP. All right, G. All right, Carmona. All right, Brad. Y'all have a good one.